did this a long time ago, man. What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy J Ford. We are back with another video, man. I hope you guys are having a great one. Today, man, we're gonna take a little road trip and we're gonna do something that I've been talking about doing for a while now. So let's just go ahead and get this cold start going and get on the road. So yeah, we just pulled up, man. So we are getting the truck tuned. As you see, we at 5-star tuning. So
always put a battery charger on the battery just to keep the voltage up. Anytime you're flashing a vehicle, the volts need to be up above 12 volts for it to flash correctly. These devices are finicky with voltage, so
yeah.
36, 1450. You can't never, if you put in this size, it's still gonna throw your tire size off.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, because it's not gonna, you got a 36, but look at what it reads out to be. That's 30, reads out to be 35 inch.
Oh, yeah.
So have to calibrate it for 35 inch.
Okay.
For the speedo to get accurate.
Gotcha.
Not many people know that. So all you do on this here, plug it in, turn your accessory power on, go to vehicle info, hit continue. That's what we're looking for right here. A 7-digit strategy code.
So what's your thoughts on like a high flow filter compared to like a cold air intake when it comes to tuning?
I mean, the drop-in's better than the factory, but I mean, if you want the best performance, cold air intake.
Gotcha.
You know, and I mean, typically you pick up 10 horsepower with a cold air intake.
Okay.
So first thing you do, you plug it in, it powers up the device. You have a push button, so you just hit the push button one time.
Right.
Don't start it, don't put your foot on the brake. So you got the accessory power on, radio's off, AC's off, you've got a programmed vehicle. It's going to give you a street use notice screen. You're going to hit continue. It's going to tell you to turn key on, which is already on. So you hit continue. Updating firmware, it's a DDX device. So if it was a Chevrolet, Fords are actually a lot easier. If it was a Chevrolet, you have to go plug it into the device updater and kind of like phone home, especially if it's like 17 plus models. Then you have to come back outside and upload stock. Just a little more aggravating. Ford's a lot easier. So there's your custom tune selection. So you got an E85 Performance, 93 Performance, and a 93 Performance tow. Okay. So the 93 Performance, of course, is going to be your most aggressive, and the 93. Of course, the 85 is going to be the most aggressive, period. Right. It's going to have the most power gains. The Performance tow, that's just a good daily tune to be on. Okay. I like to call it the universal tune. Right. Just because it's got good performance, you can tow with it, you can daily own it. Yeah. You know, just good. But it's all preference. If you're not doing any towing, me personally, I like staying on the 93 Performance or the E85 in your case. Okay. So it gives you all these user options here, which I don't recommend changing any of them. The only thing we're going to change here is the revs per mile, because you did change your tire size. So they measured out to be 35 inch. So we're going to go on here. Closest they got is 35.1. Okay. So you're going to select that. And it's going to want you to approve it. Hit approve. It starts its programming process. And the first time will take longer because it does like save your stock file and everything. Oh, okay. So say it's already flashed. So
Okay.
say you want to go back to stock.
Okay.
Just gonna turn the accessory power back on. You're gonna go to program vehicle. Stock programming.
Yeah.
So it's already selected.
Oh, okay.
It's highlighted blue. You just hit this button here. It's gonna flash it back to stock settings. Just like nothing ever happened.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
You got E85 in it?
Yeah.
Sound a little rough to you? Put him on a E85 thing. Put him on
Like 86.
86. You done plugs? Have you done plugs in it?
Spark plug in it?
Yeah.
I haven't changed out anything yet.
Spark plug. I'll say that's what it is, but sound a little rough, which it probably will. What year is it? It's got a adaptive learning process.
Okay.
We recommend like 300 to 400 miles.
Okay.
It's every time you reflash it, your ethanol percent pretty much goes back to zero.
Okay.
So, you know, generally it sounds a little rough, but like those rims.
Appreciate it.
This is what's got me the most, like, this is what everybody wants to see on the channel, like, pretty much. That's 8 pounds of boost. They put down 622 horsepower to the wheels, and torque was 645. That's the 7.3 gas engine. She got headers, catch can, and exhaust on it.
That's a lot though.
430 gears.
Dang.
Spins real bad. You'll see if you go on my YouTube. You'll see.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out.
I posted a video like a couple weeks ago, and I didn't even floor it taking off. I took off and then romped it,
Yeah.
and it just roasting the tires. You have to take off in 4-wheel drive high for it to, and then you can't tell, but in the video, somebody made a comment. They were like, "Man, he's holding the steering wheel like he's going, you know, 100 and something mile an hour." Take off, man, and the thing's doing this here because it's crab walking, because it's spinning in first and second, even in 4-wheel high.
Let everybody know what they can find you on YouTube. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel. Man, just left 5-star, man. Those guys are great, bro. They like great customer service, everything, man. I wanted to put it on a dyno, but at the time, man, it was already a car on a dyno, so I couldn't really get it on a dyno. Let's say we get this video to 500 likes. 500 likes. And maybe 10,000 views. I'll go back and go get the dyno. We'll see what it is. But man, I can tell you that I haven't even really tried to hit the gas yet on this thing, and it is crazy so far, bro. Like I'm waiting till I get on the highway to actually get like a real good pull, because right now I'm in a lot of traffic. But I can tell you right now, this thing is crazy. It shifts so much better. So much better. So I might actually pull into Zaxby's real quick to get something to eat, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Hey bro, that Zaxby be hidden every time. Every time, man. We're about to go try to see if we can find some E85 before we leave out of Florence. I did find this one gas station that's actually right across the street, so hopefully they have it. If not, we're just gonna head down the road, because I still have way over half a tank. But I have a 2.5-hour drive, and I don't want to stop, because like I said, I gotta make it to my wife's volleyball game. So we're gonna see, man. I don't think this, yeah, I definitely don't believe this gas station got E85. But so right now I can't find a place with E85. I found this one gas station, but it was like 20 minutes away in the opposite direction that I'm going. So Downshift seems a little aggressive, but like I said, I'm on the E85 performance tune, so it's supposed to be a little aggressive. I think we should let it go, let it rip one real quick. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it. Bro, I don't think I've ever been able to get up to 80 so easily. This thing will fly now. I can tell you this thing shifts so much better. I should have got some footage of how it shifted before. It was just holding the gears so long. Sometimes it downshifted it'll go from 6th all the way down to 3rd so fast, or I don't know, man. It's hard to explain exactly how it is, but woo! I've never did 100 in here before. That's crazy. That is crazy. See, man, this is the thing with running E85, bro. I've been to like, I've probably been to like 5 different gas stations, and none of them have E85. Luckily, I have enough to where, you know what I'm saying, I could make it back home. I just hate having to fill this damn truck all the way back up. Lately, I've been not letting it go past half a tank, and man, it has definitely been working for me. It's been great. I really enjoy that better instead of filling it all the way up. But man, that's the thing with running E85. Like, a lot of places don't carry it, and that's the issue with this shit, man. Damn. Uh-oh. Finally on the road by ourselves. Yes, sir. This thing is a real life night and day difference, bro. So just got to the gas station. So actually I got almost 12 miles per gallon on just 40 miles, with just almost an hour driving. So alright, we got a curve right here. We about to go around, so I'm gonna try and get a good launch right here. Alright. Woo! Yeah! Damn, that house nice as hell. The tires don't usually spin like that when I hit it, not go from a launch, but yeah, I like this. Yeah, as I mentioned, the downshifts is like kind of hard. Like I said, this is a performance tune. It's mostly in when it's going from 3rd to 2nd is where you feel it, or from 4th to 3rd. That's where like the downshift is like really kind of hard. Hey, everybody, we got a light right here. Just gonna do it quick. Oh my God. Oh man. This woo. Woo. Oh my God. Bro, why Ben didn't do this? Oh my God. Yo, that was crazy. Alright, now this one right here is gonna be the last one I'm gonna do for the day, because we're losing light, so gotta make it count. We're gonna do a big pull right here. Ooh, last one. Alright, let's go. Turn the AC off on this one. I should have did this a long time ago, man. I should have did this a long time ago. This just making the truck so much fun to drive, bro. Like, it really do make a world of difference. Like, it's crazy. I should have did this so long ago. Finally back at the house. Ooh, made it to the Wise game on time, everything. So overall, man, so far, bro, this like completely changed everything. Like, it's by far like the best thing I've done so far. really like the best mod I've done so far. So far, we're gonna say so far. But it changed like the shift points like significantly. Like the way it shifts from first to second, or really from third to fourth, and then on up. Because before I tuned it, it really wasn't shifting that well. It would shift like, for some reason, it'll go from fourth to sixth, sometimes then drop down to 5. The throttle response is like 10 times better. And finally, my speedo is actually accurate. Overall, man, definitely tune your truck, especially this 5.0, man. It wakes the engine up. I can only imagine what it does for an EcoBoost, to be honest. So the tunes I went with were E85 Performance, 93 Performance, and 93 Towing. The guys at 5-star, they told me, you know, it's probably the best for like daily driving. It's well suited. You get like a mixture of both. So I decided to do that instead of like an economy tune, because I heard those are pretty much a waste of money. And that's gonna be all I have for y'all today. If y'all want to see any other videos, you want to see a video of the 93 Performance tune, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Like I said earlier, get this video to 500 likes and over 5,000 views. I really want to say 10,000. Let's say 10,000. 500 likes and over 10,000 views. I'll make the trip back down and we'll dyno this truck. And shouts out to the guys at 5-star, man. They are great customer service. The times I've called down there, they answer the phone. If they didn't answer, I left a message and they got back with me within an hour or so. But overall, man, I'm happy with this so far. I can't wait to bring some more content on this tune, because boy, I am having fun with this thing so far. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be all for me today, and I will catch y'all on the next one. We out.